Hello everyone. Here we see that how we can use the chat GPT for generate the template, latex template, and how to generate the latex file. So since I have an account, that's why I click on the login. Otherwise, if you have no account, you need to sign up. So when we click on the login, and I'm not required to type the user ID and password because I use my Google account for that one. So I click directly from my Google, so not required to enter the password and not required to remember the password itself. So here we can go to the chat base, so new chat. So these are our agenda. So we run the templates of latex. In the previous tutorial we have seen that how to use the programming language. So first template is the resume template. So we copy this one template for a resume in latex. Just click on the chat and that chat GTP automatically generate a template for the resume. So it is very interesting that we are not required to search the proper resume, error free and other things. We can automatically generate the resume. They also give some information. Once they generate, just copy this resume from this one and go to the latex editor. So either you can go in the Kyle offline, or this is online, is the overleaf that we have used, and we compile it, and this is your resume. Now you need to fill the information based on your requirement, based on your demand. So here the empty boxes are there, you need to fill it based on your requirement. Now we can see some other examples. So they also have the template of the application. So template for the leave application in latex, just copy it, this one, and paste it in the chat box and compile it. Once you click on the compile, they automatically generate a leave applications, and once they generate a leave application here, then we can do the same thing. Just copy it here and paste it in the either Kyle or overleaf, whatever the latex is. So we copied it here and put it in the overleaf and recompile. So once you compile it, you can see that okay, this is your application format. Now it is up to you what information you want to fill based on your requirement. Say for example, name of the manager, company name, and whatever the date is there, you need to fill here. And if you have the any region, then you can edit it. But yes, a rough idea or the template is like this one, where you can fill based on your requirement, and today date comes also picture because we use the date here. Now we take some another example that okay, joining application. If you want first search for the job, so you can write an application. So here is the template of the job application. Just copied it and compile, run it. So they automatically generate a template for the job application purpose. So this is the template for the job application purpose, and do the same thing. So here they are different colors because of the for loop and for and their syntax and other things. So that's why they use the different colors, but it is good to understanding purpose. Say for example, begin documents and documents, begin and end is the different colors. So it is good for us, and do the same. Just copy this one in your overleaf or Kyle, whatever tools are using, so that we can generate the application, but copy from till the end document, otherwise it creates the problem and the error. Just copy it and paste it at this place. So here we can see that yes, once you place this one, you can easily find out your result. So this is your application that you generate with the help of chat GPT. Now we go to the some other examples, that IEEE transition papers, research papers, how we can write using the chat GPT. So just copy the template, IEEE transition research paper template using chat GPT, and we paste it there. So let's see what's the output is there. So once you copy and paste, you can see that they generate the template of IEEE transition research paper in latex. So this is the template that we can easily find out once we just copy it. So this is the IEEE trans that cascading style sheet is there, so that you can generate the format and each and everything. So once it is over, that we will see that what outcome comes into the picture till the end of the document. And we copy it and we paste it in the overleaf again and compile it. Once you compile, you can see that yes, that is the IEEE format is there. Now you need to change best the information based on your requirements. Say for example, author name 1 2 3, you can change whatever your author name is there, title of the paper. we can take an example, just author name 1 replace with my name here. So, and once you replace it, you can compile it and you can see the updated result here. You see that yes, a new name is there, and similar as author affiliation as a thanks. So here we have the author affiliation 123. I want to change the author affiliation because I already changed the name of the author. So here I changed the author affiliation uh, at the bottom. So I replace it, author name 1 is my name and some institute and other things. So it indicates that based on your requirement you can replace and you can rewrite it based whatever is requirement. But yes, you need to compile it so that you can update whatever changes is there. So it is quite interesting that to generate or to write all these things. Now we take some uh, more example or last example, the template for the thesis in latex. So they also generate the template for thesis in latex. So just write this one and search, so they generate the template. And once they generate the template, you can copy, but this template does not have any information. That is only the template. You need to fill the information, whatever the information is required. So just they generate it, and when your end documents comes into the picture, that you indicate that yes, your template is over, and then you can copy it in your latex editor, either Kyle for offline, online for overleaf, and some others are also there. So but I'm using here. So once you compile it, you can see that yes, your thesis is ready for the work. Now you need to put the information based on your requirements. Just compile it once again, remove this one line, and you can see that yes, this is title is there and field is there. You can write the information based on your requirement. Then after they go downwards for the content part A 1 2 3 4, based on your requirement, part 1 also have some chapters and subchapter. So this is the way that how we can generate the latex template using the ChatGPT, and it's a very interesting and very useful for generating the template, searching the template without any extra effort. Thank you.